All right. We are back after our break, and I'll now call case number 67420 in the matter of Andrew Jaiah Kai. Mr. Berry, are you presenting for the commission? Has Mr. Kai arrived in the courtroom? Right. Mr. Berry, would you please state your appearance and you can proceed with your presentation.
Okay. Judith Berry for the Commission for Lawyer Discipline. Mics have been turned up. Is that better?
I can hear you just fine.
Good. Okay. This is a revocation of probation proceeding under Part 2.22 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Procedure, seeking to revoke the judgment in cause number 201807405, which was a judgment of fully probated suspension entered on May the 21st, 2022, against Andrew Jaiah Kai, however he pronounces it, and I apologize. The petition for revocation of probation was filed with the board on December the 28th, 2022. The respondent was served on December the 28th, 2022 by email to JAIKAI69 and to KAIKAILAWGROUP@gmail.com. The respondent was served the second time at both those email addresses on January the 9th, 2023. Attempts by personal service were unsuccessful. The original proof of service was filed on January the 13th, 2023. The respondent violated the terms of judgment by failing to comply with the following terms: failing to pay restitution to Mr. Willingham in the total amount of $7,000. He failed to pay the attorney's fees and expenses in the amount of $730, and he failed to contact the compliance monitor within 7 days of the judgment as ordered. At this time, I would offer several exhibits. I would offer exhibit number 1, which is a certified copy of the judgment of fully probated suspension entered in cause number 201807405, dated May the 21st, 2022. A certified copy of a judgment of public reprimand entered in cause number 201802427, also dated May the 21st, 2022. Business records affidavit by Heather White, our compliance monitor, with the documents attached, and the original certification of Blake K. Hawthorne, I believe that's dated January the 11th, 2023, indicating that the respondent is authorized to practice law in the state of Texas. Yeah, it is January the 11th. May I approach?
Is that 4 exhibits?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, exhibits 1 through 4 are admitted, and you may approach. Thank you.
Okay. And I would at this time call Heather White.
Ms. White, if you'd take a seat. Yes, thank you.
And would you prefer that I stand here to question her or try to speak loud enough from the table?
Whatever you're more comfortable is fine with us. Well, actually, you talk a little softly, so I think I would rather have you at the podium.
Okay.
If that's okay.
That's fine. Okay, would you please state your full name for the board?
Yes, Heather Kathleen White,
And who do you work for?
the State Bar of Texas, Office of the Chief Disciplinary Counsel.
And how long have you been in that position?
Since June 4th, 2012,
And what's your job title?
I am the statewide compliance monitor.
And can you describe your job duties to the board, please?
Yes, as compliance monitor, I monitor a respondent's judgment terms, which may include his or her compliance with restitution, attorney's fees, additional CLE, licenses, bar cards, affidavits, rehabilitative or mental health terms, IOTA terms. I also monitor suspension dates and reinstatements.
Thank you. Are you familiar with case number 2018074005, style the Commission for Lawyer Discipline versus Andrew Jaiah Kai?
Yes,
And you monitored that judgment file?
yes,
Do you have a copy of that judgment with you?
I do.
Okay. And that's a judgment of fully probated suspension?
Yes.
And what are the dates of Mr. Kaikai's suspension?
He was on probated suspension from beginning June 1st, 2022 and ending May 31st, 2023.
All right. And what were the terms and conditions of that judgment, briefly?
Briefly, he was required to pay restitution in the amount of $7,000 with an initial payment of $3,500 due July 1st, 2022, and then the remainder of the payment to be broken up in 5 monthly installments in the amount of $700 between the months of August 1st, 2022 and December 1st, 2022. He was also required to pay attorney's fees in the amount of $730, and that payment was due December 31st, 2022.
730 or 750?
My apologies, $750.
Okay. That's fine. Thank you.
And he was also required to contact the compliance monitor within 7 days of receipt of the judgment.
Okay. Did Mr. Kaikai make any payments towards the attorney's fees or restitution?
No, he did not.
Did he contact your office within 7 days of the judgment?
No.
Did you attempt to contact him?
Yes.
Do you have a copy of what was marked as exhibit, which has your affidavit with it? Exhibit 3?
Yes.
You have a copy of that?
Yes.
And just briefly, what is your affidavit and what are the documents attached to that? What are those?
This is Mr. Kaikai's compliance file. Basically, I have kept copies of all the attempts of contact that we've made towards Mr. Kaikai to get him to comply with his judgment terms. That includes several letters. One is an introductory letter introducing the compliance team and requesting him to contact our office. And there's 3 more that are letters of non-compliance that we sent to Mr. Kaikai, letting him know that he was out of compliance with his judgment terms, including the restitution and attorney's fees, not to mention giving us a call so we can coordinate his compliance. And then there's also several efforts made just via email, reaching out to him.
Did some of those letters also include communications about the prior judgment?
Yes.
So was he in compliance with that judgment as well or not?
No, he was ordered to pay attorney's fees and he never paid those.
Okay. Did you ever receive any responses from him?
Once. He emailed us. Let me get there, just 1 second. Sorry, still not there. He emailed us on July 21st, 2022, and he said that he will be traveling to the U.S. by the end of September and will take care of everything. And that's the only time we heard from him.
And you haven't heard from him since then?
No.
Okay. So you reminded him that the fees were, his payments were past due?
Many times.
Okay. I have no further questions of this witness.
Any questions from the board? All right, thank you. You may step down.
Thank you.
Okay, we respectfully request an entry of judgment revoking probation and actively suspending respondent from the practice of law for 1 year.
Would that be 1 year from the date of the order?
From the date of your order, yes.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Berry. We'll take this matter under advisement.
Thank you.